Welcome, dear students. Today we are going to start question number 4 of exercise number 1.3. Perform the indicated operation and simplify the following. We have to solve these equations where we use plus and minus, subtraction and addition of matrices. First we start here, we use the bracket to perform this. We use to add these two matrices and then add this matrix in their product, in their addited matrix. First we used to add them 1 plus 0 corresponding entries and add into each other. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 3 and 1 plus 0, plus this matrix remains as same, 1 1 1 and 0. See the next one, when we add both of them, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 3 3 and 1 plus 0 1. By adding 1 1 1 and 0 in this matrix, we can obtain 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 and 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. This is the answer of that part of this question. Next we start a matrix having order 1 by 3. In this matrix we use two binary operation, one is addition and other is subtraction. As subtraction is in bracket, so we use to solve this part first, which is in the bracket. We use to solve subtraction initially. For this 2 3 and 1, first matrix remains as same, added into by adding this matrix 1 plus 2, 0 plus 2 and 2 plus 2. By adding them, first matrix remains same, 2 3 and 1 plus 1 plus 2, sorry it was pass. Let's start the third part of this question. Here the first matrix is 2 3 1. By adding it, by subtracting them 1 minus 2, 0 minus 2 and next 2 minus 2. In this subtraction, first matrix is same, which is equal to 2 3 and 1, plus adding this matrix 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2 and 2 minus 2 0. By adding this matrix 2 minus 1 as minus plus minus, 3 minus 2 and 1 minus 0. We can solve it by 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 1 and 1 minus 0 1. It is the answer of this question. Third part. Next we solve the fifth part of question number 4. It is as easy because it has only two matrices of order 3 by 3. By adding them 1 plus 1 corresponding entries added into each other, 2 plus 0, 3 minus 2. In second row 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 0. In the third row 3 minus 0, 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 1. By solving this part, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 0 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0, 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 0 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 plus 1. This is the answer of this part of the question, fifth part, question number 4.